Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you love, skincare. But not just any skincare, affordable skincare tips that will keep your skin glowing without draining your wallet. Because let's face it, great skin shouldn't have to come with a hefty price tag, right? So grab your notebook and let's get started. Tip 1. Keep it simple. The first thing to remember is to keep it simple. You don't need a 10-step skincare routine to have great skin. Stick to the basics: cleanse, moisturize, and protect. Overloading your skin with too many products can actually do more harm than good, and it's expensive. Focus on a few effective products and use them consistently. Tip 2. Double cleanse without double the cost. Double cleansing is a great way to ensure your skin is thoroughly clean, especially if you wear makeup or sunscreen. But you don't need fancy products for this. Use a simple oil or micellar water as the first step to remove makeup and grime, and then follow up with a gentle cleanser. This ensures your skin is clean without overstripping it. Tip 3. Hydrate from the inside out. Glowing skin starts from within. Drinking enough water is one of the most affordable ways to improve your skin's health. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day to keep your skin hydrated and plump. You can also eat water-rich foods like cucumber, watermelon, and oranges for an extra boost. Tip 4. Moisturizing hacks. Moisturizing is non-negotiable, and you can make your moisturizer work harder by applying it to damp skin. This helps lock in more hydration and reduces the amount of product you need to use. Bonus tip: if you run out of moisturizer, a small amount of pure aloe vera gel works great as a temporary alternative. Tip 5. Don't forget sun protection. I can't stress this enough: protect your skin from the sun. Even if you're on a budget, sunscreen is a must-have. Apply it daily, even if it's cloudy or you're staying indoors. It's the best anti-aging and skin-protecting step you can take, and it's worth every penny. Tip 6. Sleep and stress management. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your face. Getting enough sleep and managing stress plays a huge role in how your skin looks. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and find stress relief practices that work for you, like journaling, yoga, or even a quick 10-minute meditation. Tip 7. Wash your pillowcases regularly. This might not seem like a skincare tip, but it's so important. Your pillowcase can trap oil, sweat, and bacteria, which can lead to breakouts. Wash them at least once a week to keep your skin clean and healthy. Tip 18. Be consistent. Lastly, consistency is key. Affordable or expensive, no product will work overnight. Stick to your routine, give it time, and your skin will thank you. Remember, great skincare is about patience and persistence, not perfection. And that's it for today's affordable skincare tips. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune to take care of your skin. It's all about being intentional and resourceful. Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.